Every year we make New Year resolution and most of them fail at it miserably. Let's see how exactly do we make this New Year resolution to minimizes the chances of failure. First, make a wish list of things that you want. It could be materialistic, non-materialistic, it could be a hobby that you want to pursue or a habit that you want to adapt. Now spend good amount of time with this list. Ask yourself why this is so important to you, how it is going to make you feel when you achieve it, what difference it is going to make in your life. This is going to give you clarity. Now from this, pick up top 3 or 4 most important goals for you. Now convert these goals into SMART goals. Spend good amount of time in planning of how you are going to achieve these goals. Take baby steps, it always helps. And remember that change is a process and consistency is the key. Look for motivational videos to stay motivated. Read self-help books. Listen to podcasts. This will help you keep going towards your goal. And last but not the least, look for an accountability partner who will constantly keep a check on you, whether you're moving towards your goal or not. Hope this helps. Wish you a very happy and a prosperous new year. Thank you.